Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power and cartridge issues because a blinking red light usually means unstable supply or poor contact. First, unplug the NES and remove any cartridge. Visually inspect the cartridge edge and slot for dirt or bent pins. Next, connect the official 9V-DC1, 3A power supply or a verified equivalent. Make sure the barrel connector fits snugly. Once done, test with a known good cart and swap AV cables to ensure the problem isn't a video or cartridge swap issue. You need to clean and restore reliable electrical contact next, because corrosion or grime prevents a stable connection. Gently clean the cartridge edge with 90% plus isopropyl on a lint-free swab, and carefully brighten pins inside the slot using a folded paper towel or specialized slot cleaner. Don't force anything. If the 72-pin connector is loose or worn, replace it or use a high-quality aftermarket replacement to restore spring tension. Make sure you're grounded, allow everything to dry, and you finish by reassembling and testing methodically so you can confirm the fix. Seat the cartridge evenly, secure the console case, and power on while observing the light. A steady red or normal pattern means success. If blinking returns, check the power supply with a multimeter, measure at the barrel under load. Voltage sag or noise indicates a bad PSU. If voltage reads below roughly 9.5V or fluctuates, replace the adapter. If problems persist, replacing electrolytic capacitors or consulting a repair tech is the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.